Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat Pynïasoh Umrupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Ki MLA na South Garo Hills District kilarai ban kerpat yang menturang ba kazalau konat kongkal sangma banyak keren berkasar kapedeng bahkan penpoino ya Lynti sa Baghmara. Haba pentip ya kini ha kashitrik uleber aza apusan menteri kasar kazalau rakam e sangma ulai thu bamau rengkat lang bat sangut kiwei pat ki MLA na South Garo Hills District kinsai kedua yang menturang ba kazala ban IT ya kador khas na kebentapan Pynïasoh ya Lynti na mendi pathar sa Baghmara.
We along with our MLAs per district will be meeting Honorable Chief Minister to submit a memorandum for extension of the railway line from Gawati to Pynïasoh to Baghmara and even to Dhaka, because this will be the corridor for our trade and business in the long run, because in the pre-independence time, especially South Koreans with Dhaka got a good trade and business before. So because we used to say America has good road, not because they are rich, but America rich because they have the good road. So we need better connectivity to improve our economics. Connectivity is the importance for any community and for the result. Therefore, this is what our intention it is, just to bring up the better economics. So, connectivity is very important for us. For the third installment, we are waiting for the ministry to release, because already second installment we have released already. But for the third installment, I think if I'm not wrong, I have to check with my officials. We are waiting for the government of India to release. I think we are expecting it the earliest. I have the figure right now with me, but about more or less close to 60,000 our students, but about 40 to 45,000 has already received, and about some 20,000 or 15,000 still waiting for the third installment from the government of India, if I'm not wrong. But I have to cross check with my officers. We will just request our Honorable Chief Ministers to take up the matter with the Ministry and Government of India for the extension of the railway from Pynïasoh to Baghmara to Dhaka, in fact via Baghmara, but having a integrated checkpoint is very, very important. Requested for all this mechanism is very, 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 very important.